we look younger than the Gen Zs also. The Gen Zs are getting older. पता है ना? The Gen Zs actually look older than we do.
Acha, if you're talking in the sense that when I was 15, I definitely did not
They
look the way
like a 15-year-old
like
kid
15-year-olds look
That's
right now.
because these
But
guys
then I
take
get
too much
confused कि
stress.
do you no but then वो तो है ही है.
हाँ.
I also think is it also because of the fact that they're exposed to such fashion as well as the way they carry themselves that
I
they
think with
look
Gen Zs, it's
mature.
just stress.
It's just वो तो
It's
है ही
stress.
है. वो तो
But
सोशल मीडिया के अंदर ब्रो अगर हम हमारी जिंदगी के अंदर बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया आवर स्ट्रेस लेवल्स चेंज सो मच naturally speaking Gen Z जहाँ पे जब हम when I was 14-15 तो I used to go out play football we were talking about it that day as well there used to be a whole routine
Yeah.
you didn't have to tell your
Internet
neighbor
नहीं होता था.
हाँ neighborhood मतलब बच्चों को नहीं बताना पड़ रहा कि यार आज कितने बजे फुटबॉल होगी ये होगा वो होगा it was an understood thing 5 PM we're gonna meet at the park कोई नहीं आ रहा उसका अगले दिन पता चलता था यार
कि
मैं
वो क्यों
ये
नहीं आया?
हाँ क्यों नहीं आया ये हो गया वो हो गया
Yeah.
अब तो you're on your phones there's so much that's happening there's so many substitutes to like you know not just form a culture like
And
that
I've
in your
also
neighborhood
noticed
and
that Gen Zs take internet a lot more seriously than we do.
yeah
Like we
bro.
grew up with the internet and we actually learned how to
We
cope with it.
experienced the internet in a way where we slowly जैसे जैसे वो बढ़ रहा था
Yeah.
हमने उसका stress के साथ
Manage
adapt
करना
bro we
हाँ.
realized the internet is a digital world and not a
यार
real
हम जब
world
Facebook
सोचो
पे-
आप
These
15 साल
people-
के बच्चे हो and you're seeing what's happening in Gaza right now.
हाँ.
It's a very different way to perceive
and
those emotions.
also generally I think like when we were growing up our Facebook was what 10 people 15 people max 20 people the famous people were 100 likes
yeah
ठीक है
yeah.
अब जाके वो जमाने ही नहीं है हर बच्चे के 100 150 200 लाइक है
Hmm.
the scrutiny they go through is a lot more than what we faced growing
it's the
up
social
dilemma.
it's the social media gratification that's also come into
Yeah.
play now where you want the numbers to dictate and give you that dopamine and to make you feel कि हाँ यार like you know I felt it we all feel it when we post something bro हम जब post करते हैं there's a specific chemical that's released in our brain that makes us really look forward to the notifications we're going to get the comments we're going to get the number of likes we're going to get and we dissect everything and the negative ones affect us the positive ones make us feel really good and it comes to a point हम लोगों ने तो because we've dealt with social media differently we saw it coming into society so we still may be able to detach our real world with that world
yeah
I don't think these kids are able to detach that bro
and I
for
feel
them
really-
it's their
I feel
it's
really
their
bad for
life
these kids because they also like it's also in the seriousness of the things that they write like you read like a young kid's tweet and you'd be like oh my god this kid thinks that
I
this
couldn't articulate the way he does at 15 when I was 15.
Yeah,
basically.
एक तो हाँ, we couldn't articulate that way, which is good. But also the way they take this app seriously and this tweet seriously, how serious they think this matter is a bit concerning. Because at the
Yeah.
end of the day, you need to understand that you are living here, and these are the people that surround you. This is your family. Please be worried about these things only. Don't be
And your
so
real
consumed
friends.
by the internet.
and your real friends
And
bro
your-
और जो
हाँ,
होते भी 3-4 मैक्सिमम
हाँ,
5
5-6 दोस्त होते हैं
5-6
आपके।
दोस्त होते हैं आपकी that's it bro
I think
हम जब बच्चे थे और फेसबुक था या जब इंस्टाग्राम स्टार्ट हो रहा था तो द ओनली थिंग्स वी वुड पोस्ट वर सिली थिंग्स आप अपनी पुरानी फेसबुक फोटोज देखो ना इन एवरी वन ऑफ देम यूड बी डूइंग अ वियर्ड पोज आप एज अ ग्रुप भी वियर्ड चीजें कर रहे होते थे बीइंग सिली बीइंग फनी वाज द थिंग नो वन वांटेड टू बी सेक्सी when they were 14 15 16 on Facebook तो I think because वो social gratification अच्छे लगने से sexy लगने से hot लगने से आती है तो वो they're always worried about these things also which is why they take a lot of things very very seriously compared to us because we were just having fun
अभी ये हुआ है ना मार्क Zuckerberg he was held accountable just recently यार what that thing that happened bro तू check कर तुझे शायद पता चल जाएगा जहाँ पे उन्होंने the dark side of social media they discussed it now where people have taken their lives and everything how like online bullying and like talking about I think I'm talking about the right thing but ये अभी हुआ है like Mark Zuckerberg पूरा एक scene हुआ है Capitol Hill के अंदर यार जहाँ पे they've spoken about this entire thing कि how like there is a dark side to this entire thing where like सोशल मीडिया की जो दुनिया है वो किसी बच्चे के ऊपर बिल्कुल डिफरेंट तरीके से आ रही है लाइक फॉर देम इट्स दे डोंट नो व्हाट द तू हंस क्यों रहा है
Okay, bro, we sound like our dads. जो बात है।
But it's true,
he's
bro.
literally like, this is all my dad used to cry about like 10 years ago. Now he is more hooked on to TikTok than I can ever be.
No, but see, हम लोग फिर भी जो TikTok और Reels का culture है ना, bro, this is only like what 2-3 years
यार
old.
मेरा
हम लोग फिर भी we came in when we were in this entire world ना, it was still there was still check and balance, you can say. तू समझ रहा है? Orkut, Facebook,
understand what you're
MSN का
saying.
जो ज़माना था ना, that was much different than how things are right now.
Because there was a balance in life, what you call a balance, which was कि थोड़ी सी outdoor activity, थोड़ा सा homework, थोड़ा सा काम, थोड़ा सा ये, थोड़ा सा वो, और थोड़ा सा social media. Abhi 80% social media, even while working, even while studying.
Yeah.
Right? So I understand there's like a huge takeover. But that's what I'm saying with, like, it's part of evolution. I mean, जब इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन आई है, जब ये मशीनें आई हैं, इससे पहले क्या इंसान क्या करते थे? ज्यादातर फार्मिंग ही करते थे ना, राइट? इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन से पहले फैक्ट्रीज तो नहीं होती थी. सो आई थिंक the point that I'm trying to make is that with every new generation and every time a new piece of technology, like something mind-blastingly new comes in place, it takes a few generations to really go back and see the results of that. I think we are in the very super early stages of the technological
वो तो yeah, like Kanye says,
generation.
bro, we're a blip in the universe. वो तो वैसे ही if
वो
you
तो तू बहुत next level.
No, what I'm saying is considerably
अभी
अभी
बेहतर है कार्ल सेगन ने जो पेल ब्लू डॉट बोला है वो बोल लेते हैं.
insane, bro.
पेल ब्लू डॉट
Have
बड़ा
you heard that?
कान्ये कह रहा है we're a blip in the universe.
No, मैं तो पूरी चीज को
Kanye
कंसाइज
example
करके
is
कह रहा हूँ. मतलब obviously वो तो है ही है. लेकिन point अच्छा
Masters of Universe कौन बता रहा है? Kanye West.
नहीं बात उससे सही की है bro.
बात
We're a
उसकी
blip in the
ठीक है,
universe. हाँ
मगर बेसिकली वो पेल ब्लू डॉट को उसने ब्लिप कह दिया.
हाँ जो भी मेरा लेकिन पता है I agree with evolution obviously bro, that's a part of life, that's what happens. हम लोगों के साथ वो चीजें होंगी, the new generation is going to feel different and they're going to call us old because we're going to call it like, you know, कि ये नहीं सही. But my point is when those people, when machinery came and farmers turned to like industrial revolutionists and everything changed in terms of that technology, उसके अंदर the mental state of being was still differently affected than it is right now.
I have no idea what you just said.
मतलब
But it sounded
Explain
like
करो
you
ना.
mean something.
नहीं मतलब
नहीं set
basically
है, मैं समझ गया हूँ तू क्या
हाँ
कहने की कोशिश
basically
कर रहा है actually.
social
सही
media
कहता है.
would you agree and say that right now the mental health dilemma is at its worst
Yes.
in the world?
Yes.
So that's my point.
Yes.
Part of the reason for that is what social media has also done.
It's because you don't have you. This is also called the first world problems. When you have George Carlin, Louis C.K. He's a comedian. He says this. Okay, when
That
you
guy
don't
who
have,
off?
yeah, the same guy,
Yeah, the guy who got cancelled also.
Yeah.
the guy who got cancer.
Yeah.
He said when you don't have real problems, and he says people in US we don't have real problems, so we make shit up. For example, we're in a plane and we just got to know that there's internet on the plane. Like you're in the plane and you can use the internet. So he's like, I log in and I'm just going on the internet. I'm browsing the web, and there's a guy sitting with me, and he goes like, "This is bullshit." And he goes like, "How weird कि इसको साले को पता भी नहीं था कि इंटरनेट था यहाँ पे, लेकिन अब ये कंप्लेंट कर रहा है कि ये स्लो है." Like it's such a कहता है कि everybody in the plane should just always be shouting because you're sitting in the chair in the air.
Yeah.
Bro, it's unbelievable.